Friends, welcome to Next Generation of Coders. Friends, in this video I will tell how you should learn Python. Friends, the most important thing is that Python is dynamically typed. That means in Python we do not want to declare variable, friends, and why a static type language. That means in that language we use to declare variable. Like I show you, like x equal to 35. In Java we have to declare the data type, and in Python we only say is equal to 70, and it has very simple syntax. Like when if we want to get output in Java, then we use system.out.println bracket x, and in Python we only write print x. It is very simple to use, and the commands in Python is similar to English, like we use to get output and so on. So friend, with that help to recognize the command in Python. And friend, Python is used for doing server-side scripting language. Like using Python we can develop any search engine like Google and Yahoo web development, and when we can develop any web page website using Python, and it is used in testing working, and when Python is used for designing games, when Python is also used in hacking. When Python is very deep, since using Python these things are developed like Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. And if you want to learn Python, then start learning. And if you are a beginner, do not know any other language, when you choose Python your first language, then it is the best language for beginner because it is very easy to learn. And start learning. And when if you want to learn Python, you can go to YouTube and search Python tutorial series for beginners. There are so many series you can learn from there. And when if you want to learn from me, then go to my channel and go to the playlist section and go to the playlist of Python tutorial for beginners, and here you can watch the videos and learn from them. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask, then ask in the comment box.